am starting by prepping my skin with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. This is a beautiful primer before makeup, and then I'm going in with the Flawless Filter in shade 3. This gives a little bit of coverage but a beautiful luminosity to the skin. It's great if you just want to wear it alone or underneath foundation like I'm about to do, and it's also good for on top of foundation. I do use this a lot in my makeup kit. And obviously for myself. I'm then going in with my favourite foundation, which is the YSL Touche Éclat. This is perfect for people with dry skin. It gives a beautiful coverage, buildable coverage, but it doesn't dry out the skin, so I definitely like the texture. And I'm using my new Zoeva 104 buffing brush. It's a beautiful dense brush, which therefore it doesn't absorb too much product. It gives a beautiful even coverage and it puts it on really quickly. And then going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Vanish Cream for underneath the eyes in shade Fair. This is a fantastic product. The consistency is beautiful, it does not crease. And then I'm just going in with a little bit of the Kevyn Aucoin Essential Skin Enhancer in shade SX05, just to add a little bit more coverage, but not too much because this product can look very drying. The blush that I'm going to, the bronzer that I'm going to use is the Milani bronzer in shade Dolce. This kind of reminds me a little bit like Matte Give Me Sun. It's a little bit more on the warm orangey sides, but I obviously just wanted to do a video showing the new products. It is a beautiful bronzer and really good for affordability, so I would recommend it. And then I'm going in with the Milani blush in shade Luminoso, which is my favourite blush. It's a beautiful coral shade. And then obviously I'm just going in touching up everything. This Carnival palette is so big, but I'm using the Gold Luxe shade. This is the highlighter from the Stacey Marie Carnival palette. It's absolutely a gorgeous highlight shade. I really loved it, and I'm using my Makeup Forever highlighting brush to apply this. So I was definitely happy with how the base turned out. I really liked it. I then went in with the MAC Shape and Tape. This is my first time using this product. This is in the shade Taupe. Honestly guys, I wasn't overly impressed with this at all. You will see that in my video of my new makeup products, but it just was really wishy-washy and didn't have a good colour payoff. I then just go and clean up underneath the brow with the P. Louise base, and I apply this all over my lids just before I'm going to apply the makeup. I then go in with the shade Pillow Talk underneath the brow bone from the Carnival palette and a Zoeva brush, so just to kind of add a little bit of highlight underneath the brow bone. Then I'm going in with the shade Slow Burn. It's obviously a burn orange colour and it is a really beautiful shade. And then I just keep applying the product and following my natural eye shape. I like my eye makeup to be really round, so a lot of people don't prefer that style, but I like a kind of blown out, more rounded look. I'm then going in with the shade Basic. It was a little bit darker than I expected it to be, so I kind of blended that in, and to be honest, I was probably kind of not feeling the look at this point, but I was still going. I was still kind of going ahead and blending. So then I start to kind of blend in circular motions at the corner of my eye, and that's what kind of gives me the round effect that I really like. So I do the same and I kind of bring it down underneath the eye, and this is the same colour, which is Slow Burn. And I just like it because I think that it does help my eyes to look a little bit bigger, and then I just pop it underneath. I just do the same on the other side, as you can see. And then I just go in with the shades, a mixture of the shade Hall and Intuition, just to kind of add a little bit of depth to the overall kind of look. I then went in with the shade Inspire, which is a kind of glitter type pigment, and honestly I just couldn't get it. It just didn't look nice. Then I go in with the black liner and the mascara from Stilla Cosmetics, which I do love, and then I go in with the velour lashes in Girl You Crazy. I finished the look with the Liqueur lipstick from Sleek and the Suede lip gloss by Peaches in Cream. But yeah, and then obviously I took my hair out of that ridiculous bun and we ignore my roots, and that is the kind of overall look using the new products. I hope you guys enjoyed this look and thank you so much for watching.